Hello, welcome back to our English class. Come on, look at the board. This is also regarding to the lesson expressions of quantity. How to express quantity. So look at these sentences. There are enough buses. There are enough buses. So there are not enough buses. He hasn't enough pens to distribute to the students. Third one, we didn't have enough players to play football. Next one, we are not taking enough fruits. So these four sentences I wrote using enough and countable plural noun. Enough buses. Next one, he hasn't enough pens. Enough pens. Next, we didn't have enough players. We didn't have enough players. We are not taking enough fruits. If we observe all these four sentences on the left side, I used enough with countable plural nouns. Countable plural nouns. Countable plural nouns. So, we can use this enough with countable plural nouns and come to the right side. Here you find there isn't enough parking. I have not enough time to walk there. She doesn't take enough food. She is thin. There isn't enough ventilation in the hall. We can't find enough infrastructure in government offices. So when you observe all these sentences on the right side, let me repeat, there isn't enough parking. Enough parking, enough with uncountable noun. I haven't enough time, enough with uncountable noun. Next one, she doesn't take enough food, enough with uncountable noun. Next one, there isn't enough ventilation, enough with uncountable noun. Next one, we can't find enough infrastructure, enough with uncountable noun. So, if we observe all these sentences on both left and right sides, you can find that we can use enough with both countable plural nouns and uncountable nouns. That means, let me receive the meaning of those sentences. There isn't enough parking. That means parking space is not enough. Come to this sentence. We are not taking enough fruits. We are not taking enough fruits. It means we are not taking the fruits which are sufficient for us. That means in both these sentences on the right and left sides, we are receiving that there is a need for more things. There is a need for more things. That means when we write enough with both countable plurals and uncountable nouns, that means need more. That means need more. Something more is needed. So that is the meaning of those sentences on left and right sides. And we can write so many sentences using with enough. So here if you come to left side, so you are seeing here enough money, enough people, enough time, enough roads. So if you observe all these usages, enough money, he has enough money to buy a car. There is enough infrastructure in government schools. I have not enough time, or I have enough time to attend all the functions regarding to my relatives. There are enough roads in Andhra Pradesh. So like that we can frame so many sentences. How enough with the countable and uncountable nouns. That means when you write enough people, enough time, enough roads, enough money, we can receive the meaning that you meet the standard what you want. So you are meeting what you want. You are meeting the need what you want. So we can write using enough with countable and uncountable nouns like this. Come to the right side. Here you see good enough, smart enough, old enough, tall enough. That means what are good, smart, old, tall? These are all adjectives. When you write adjective before enough, we can frame sentences like this. He is good enough to encourage woman. Don't take that shirt. It's not long enough. It's not long enough. So like that we can frame many sentences. When you write adjective plus enough, it also gives us meaning. You meet the standard what you want. So this is how we have to write sentences with enough. With enough. So this is our integrated communication skills training program under the module interchange 4th edition. These expressions of quantity is in the second chapter. How to frame sentences using enough and not enough. Okay, got it? Thank you for watching this video.